Hello and welcome to Nui NFX. Today we are going to walk you through how to access all of the different market ideas that you have available to you. You will first need to open your Nui NFX back office. Once there, the home page will look just like this, and you will want to click on Access Market Ideas. Once you've clicked on that, this page will open, and this takes you to the Telegram. Since I have Telegram downloaded on my computer, I'm going to choose the Open Telegram Lite option. If you don't have it, then you will choose the Open in Web option. Now, when you get to your Telegram page, you will push Start. Then a welcome message will come, and you will click here to get started. Go ahead and push Open for this website. This website should open up immediately for you. Now you can choose all of the different options that you want to be a part of. Right here is binary options, which most of you are familiar with. You also have Forex, crypto, indexes and stocks, scalping, Forex, and sports options. Also, you'll want to be a part of the results channel so you can see how successful the trading was. We can choose this one. We're going to allow, and now you see I am part of this channel. Okay, if you have any questions, please let us know at support@nui.international. Thank you so much.